In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make yourself a metallic mosaic art using Nano Banana. We'll use Google's Gemini to turn a single photo into a metallic mosaic-style artwork, and I'll guide you through the exact flow so you can follow along with confidence. First, open your browser and head to Google. This keeps things simple and helps you land on the official site quickly. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. Look for the official Gemini link from Google and click it. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account. If you already know the direct Gemini address, you can go there right away, but searching ensures you're on the correct page. Once you're inside Gemini, find and click the Create Image button. This is the part that activates the Nano Banana feature behind the scenes, which handles the visual generation for this project. Next, you'll see an option to upload a reference photo. Click the plus sign and choose the image you want to transform. For best results, use a clear, well-lit photo, ideally high resolution. Make sure you have the right to use the image, and always get permission if it includes someone else. Now it's time to craft your prompt. In the prompt box, you can paste this exact wording. Using the attached photo, recreate the face and body with 100% likeness. Transform the structure of the face and body so they are formed by an arrangement of embedded staples, with the flow and placement following the volume and contours of the photo. This language tells Gemini to preserve the likeness while converting all forms into a metallic, staple-based mosaic texture, wrapping those staples along the curves and depth of the subject. If you prefer a softer or more dramatic look later, you can adjust wording like dense staples, high contrast lighting, or polished metal finish. But start with the provided text to get a faithful baseline. With your reference image attached and your prompt ready, click Submit. The system will process your request for a moment. That's normal. Complex surface detail and contour-aware placement take a little time. When it's done, you'll see your metallic mosaic version appear. Take a close look at the contours around the cheeks, shoulders, and hairline. The effect should flow along the original volume and feel like embedded metal pieces shaping the figure. And that's it. You've created a metallic mosaic art piece using the Nano Banana workflow in Gemini, starting from a single photo and a precise prompt. Enjoy experimenting and have fun bringing more images into this style.